Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to look at operators. Okay, remember in the last class we have done with type conversion. That means converting one data type to another. Okay, so today we are going to look at operators. So first of all, what is operators? Okay, operators are the special symbol used to perform operations. Okay, for example, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Here, what operation is performing here? Additions operation. Okay, that means two numbers are adding and giving the result as 8. This is your operations. And what is the special symbol here? The special symbol is plus. Okay. In the same way, we have a lots of operations. You can see here addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on. We will see one by one. Okay. So all this falls under the arithmetic operators. Okay, we have many types of operators. Today we are going to talk the arithmetic operators. Okay, so first of all, what I am doing is I am assigning two values, a equal to 4, b equal to 2. Okay, this will be constants for all the operations. So first let's look at addition. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me comment out everything. Look at this part. Okay, that is the addition. So what we are doing here, sum equal to a plus b. What is a plus b? A equal to 4, b equal to 2. Then we are storing these operations on the variable sum. The sum will store the result. Then we are just printing the sum. You can see the result out here. Okay. But let me check what error is going on. Line number 30. Okay, this one. Let me remove this point. Okay, now it will fine. It's fine. Now you can see the result is 6. Okay, so the first one is addition operator. It's simply just adding the two values. Okay, now let's look at the second one, second case. Okay, second case is your subtraction. Subtraction is similar to addition, just we are subtracting one number for another. That is a minus b. A minus b is will be your 2. The answer will be 2. Okay, so just remove this. Just remove this. Okay, I will show you one by one. Then just run the program. You can see the second one is subtraction. The answer will be 2. You can see this one, answer is 2. Okay, this one. Okay, the third one is multiply. Okay, so what it will return? It will return multiplication of two number, a into b. Okay, the value of a is 4 and the value of b is 2. 4 2 is 8. So our answer is 8. You can see here. Okay, the third one is we have division. So what division will give the result? The division will give when we divide two numbers. Okay, that means a divided by b. Here you can see the value a is divided by b. Okay, the value of a is 4 and value of b is 2. So when we divide 4 with 2, we'll get 2 answer. Okay, you can see here. Okay, 2 is the answer. Now let's look at floor division. Okay, what floor division will do? The floor division will remove the decimal part. Okay, you can see these two, division and floor division. Okay, division will return the decimal part. You can see 2.0. Okay, the answer is here. You will get the answer as 2.0. Okay, that is the division. And in floor division, you will get as 2 only. 2 as answer, because in floor division it will remove the decimal part. Fine. And the second last is modulus. Modulus, what it will return? It will return the remainder of a number. Okay, remainder of a number. When you divide any number, there is sometimes you get remainder, sometimes you get as 0. Okay, so what it will check? It will check whether there is remainder or not. Okay, if there is remainder, it will return the remainder. That's why it's known as mod. Okay, you can see when we divide 4 with 2, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 0. So you can see here the remainder is 0. Okay, and the last one is exponential. Exponential means if you want to find the power. Okay, power of a number. Okay, so for example, our a is 4. Okay, and b is 2. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay, you can see a to the power b. What is a? A is our 4. 4 and What is our b? B is our 2. So when you write 4 to the power of 2, you will get 16. Okay, so this is our operators in Python. The first operators, that is arithmetic operators. Okay, in the next class we will see the comparison operators. Fine, thank you.